that what today also I was hearing, and all of you are representing good companies with good intentions, working in different areas. And if you just imagine that if you put all those knowledge together, alone you cannot do it. You can't take platform also. But MBA can create that platform, and with that platform, all of you come together, share your knowledge, experience. We'll try to do all those things. In fact, many questions are written here in this paper, concept paper. So what is important is that, okay, how we should engage ourselves. What type of collaborations we are looking for between center.
That what kind of partnerships can we build? Because each one of us comes from the organization, so there would be limitations, but then how can we put it into some kind of a collaborative? So formulate them and then sustain them. This is what we thought we could discuss on. Then resources, because to do anything good, resources are very important. So how are we going to build these resources? So typically charity begins at home. We felt that we should be talking about this. Then outcome, and like Dr. Sai said, measurement. It should not be just qualitative, okay, we are doing good, but measurement and measuring the effectiveness of.
Really thank you for inviting me. The way I look at it from a perspective of this particular program specifically, I think there is a great opportunity for looking at mainstreaming this for the next generation of managers as they emerge, where sustainable development and social responsibility doesn't become a separate thing that I have to do, but becomes a part of my mainstream.
Spent on CSR is probably wasted, and time and effort is wasted of employees. Not at all. I can tell you that the kind of returns you will get in terms of goodwill, in terms of a good feeling by the employees for their company, in terms of team spirit, in terms of working together. When we do projects, though I'm representing a corporate group, but I have volunteers from our own companies. So when they come together for any event like a health camp, they always say at the end of the day that working outside office together creates a greater team where they can function better, they can feel better about themselves and their companies. So this is one thing, there is absolutely no conflict.
So plug those gaps which are there in the programs from the corporates and make this center as some kind of a center which can really add value over there. So my thought over here is have some kind of a interaction and the measurement and audit of those kind of programs and contribute towards it. Everybody does a CSR program, every organization does it, but as rightly pointed out Praveen, it is for some business needs, or it is that the business needs them. But the basic area is, or the basic intention here is to really see what the larger programs are happening, what are they coming out of it. Why not we plug the gaps over there? That's number one. Number two, in terms of MDI, it's a beautiful platform which is available to the corporates. It has its own standing in the not only in the country but internationally. So why not we all who are here or can be here plug our experience, share the experience over here, and then close these gaps with the input from the academics over here. So that's another platform where we can have interactive sessions amongst ourselves and then take this forward in terms of overall movement.
We would have very clear focuses of corporates, of academics, of NGOs. So you have both the academic as well as the practitioners coming together, pooling resources, not just our intelligence, but also time, also money, sharing databases, networks of groups that we work with. Because the point that you raised, you see,
was that as corporates also, can we start extending our hand to each other? So if one has a network somewhere, can it be extended to another corporate? And knowing that different companies would have different goals, respecting all of that, still there's immense that can come up. So I think there was discussion on that, which further went into the importance of documenting and sharing.
Invite experts and one-to-one basis. We want MDI is committed for the society, and we want that collectively we can do a great thing. That is what my submission to all of you is that. So So what the idea is, when I said this thing that okay, MDI should have this center, idea was that all corporates, all NGOs, all donors, all agencies, all stakeholders, they should come under one roof and discuss and deliberate that what we can do in a tangible form. So I hope that all of you agree with me. Otherwise, what will happen that you will feel that okay, it is an MDI project, it is for students, okay, this has been done nicely, let's go. It is not like that. It is for you. It is for all of us.